Welcome to Introduction to Electrical Engineering short course by IQ Academy. In this course, you will learn about the systems behind the lights in our homes, the machines in our workplaces, and the technology that powers everyday life. In today's world, industries depend on people who understand how electrical systems work and how to use them safely. In this course, you will explore electrical engineering's scope and applications, safe practices and electrical regulations, core electrical concepts, functions of common electrical components, basic circuit diagrams, electrical measurements, how electrical power is generated, transmitted, and distributed, electrical concepts in practical situations. Your journey into electrical engineering starts now. Stay curious, stay committed, and get ready to power up your future with skills that matter in the real world.